No, things have changed though. Wọ́n ti gbé canopy débẹ̀ o. Wọ́n ti tún amend. Ẹni pé ó tún ti lágbára ju ti tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ. You can see. So it has changed. This is Akure o. Akure la wà yìí o. Ó tún ti yàtọ̀ o. Gbogbo ọ̀nà náà block o. Kò sí májíìkì tán lè ṣe o. Wọ́n ti block gbogbo ọ̀nà. This is Akure city. So ọ̀nà tó link Akure, the major road tó link Akure to Oyo state and Abuja and other eastern states. Ọ̀nà yẹn ni wọ́n block yìí. So gbogbo activities ti wà paralyzed in Akure. Our youth àti Yari àti Fariga àgbà. Enough is enough. Àwọn youth tẹ̀ ń wò wọ́n ti sọ pé bí làwọn máa so no going back, no going back. Reform Nigeria, end SARS, end police brutality gbogbo ẹ̀, no going back o. bá wa ṣí ẹ jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn wo nǹkan tó lọ nílé o wọ́n wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà is finished Nàìjíríà ti tán o ẹ bá wa ṣí ẹ jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn wo dáadáa nílé Nàìjíríà ti tán.
And bad government and bad leaders. Let it go. Bad leaders. Bad leaders. Bad leaders.
àwọn tó ti pa àwọn náà ń dárúkọ ẹ̀yẹn o àwọn táwọn SARS ti pa tó ti rán sọ̀rùn ọ̀sán gangan àwọn náà ń dárúkọ ẹ̀yẹn o. àwọn driver tó wá trailer gan ti bọ́lẹ̀ wọ́n ti join the protest. You drive this trailer. Drive this trailer. No, I'm not the one. Kì í ṣe mi. Ó lẹ́yìn tó fẹ́ ṣe.
The road has been totally shut by NSAS protesters, and they seem resolute, and they're saying they're not leaving until their demands are met. They're ready to sleep here. In fact, they bring all sort of refreshments, sort of entertainment, music band, and DJs are also provided here to entertain themselves and every other person that turned up for this protest. They say they're not ready to really do traffic. Every traffic is already here. Those going find the initial refreshment, stuff. And I have someone here who will also be talking to you regarding this protest. So he will be telling you the reason for the NSAS protest and the resolution of Nigerian youth.
Is it live?
Yeah, is it live? Yes, live.
Okay, thank you. I would like to keep my identity. We are here together to protest for the brutality of Nigerian police. We were not happy with the current situation, not just NSAS alone. We were not happy with the current situation. We were not happy with the way the Nigerian government were treating us, the youths of this country in particular. So there is no job. The way they are handling our judicial system, everything in Nigeria is not even okay. So we were not happy with the current situation, and we are not going to live here until the presidency called for a Congress and address the nation in a proper way. They told us we are the future of this country, and we can't see any sign of that in what they are doing in this country. They told us we are the future of this country. 80 years, 85 years, people were still ruling us in this country, and yet they were killing the youth. They were killing the future of this country called Nigeria. So I want, I am Victor. If you want to know my name, I am Victor. Yeah. I am not. There's no leader here. No leader here. We don't have leader here. Everybody is leader. They told us we, the youth, we are the leaders of tomorrow. So we believe everyone here is a leader. There is no time. We will only leave if Nigeria met with our agreement, with our demand. What we are demanding for, if they were able to fulfill it, that is when we will leave this place. There is no action from the government, and we are not ready to go. We were peacefully conducting ourselves here. There is no clashes, there is no claptrap here, so there is no misunderstanding. Even if there is misunderstanding, we know how to settle it. So, and everything is going peacefully here. All we are just trying to do is to make ourselves happy here. We were not happy deep in our heart, but we were just trying our possible best to compose ourselves, to arrange ourselves and make everything in order. So that is what we are just trying to do here. Okay. Thank you. Mo grant interview láti rédíò Àdàbà FM ni So at the grant interview yẹn tán right away. So thank you very much. I will run mo máa parí broadcast yẹn right away. So tí n bá ti parí ẹ̀, so I will restart again. So I fẹ́ contact àwọn kankan. So it's not even okay. Kò yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Kò yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. So I want to try and contact some people if they can grant us an interview, maybe 1 or 2 people. Can grant interview so that ká lè round up. A tún ní láti face àwọn kankan so that we'll be able to start again.
Everything is scatter, scatter.
I love it on Dano. You can see. So they are preparing food for themselves. So I want you to eat it. Want to meet at the minute, no going back. At the re. So and Dano, no going back. In unity, could they see anything, could see misunderstanding line anybody. They are doing it peacefully. So at the no fights, no quarrel, nothing so far. So that is how it is. So I'm going to round up here. So we'll come back later. Thank you.